easy. Oh my God.
All right, this will stop the project right here.
What's going on, guys? We're here today up in Epsom where, as you can see behind me, we're getting the green GTI loaded up to the trailer over here. And we're gonna be taking the car down to the Manchester shop. That way we can bring it over to the ECI garage and we can start working on it and turning this thing into an electric car.
Oh no, where's the brakes?
Brakes?
Nice.
Put a little bit past there, go.
Oh.
Ah!
There you go.
Yeah, I've done this many times before. Don't try this at home.
Winch is almost out of juice. Get it a little closer so we can wrap something on there.
Oh, yeah.
I think I have jumper cables if my truck comes down to it. Alright, give that a try.
That's not going anywhere.
All right, guys, we made it down all the way up from Epsom, all the way down to Manchester. As you can see behind me, the GTI is nice and safe. Our professional strap job did the trick, and here we are at the garage.
So,
GTI things.
All right, so let's unload all this stuff. She's home!
Finally arrived. Green GTI, ready to be electrified.
you got anything good? Any brand names here?
Yeah, it must be.
NGPV Woo 3. So, yeah, that's good, I guess. I don't know.